Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about mastalgia. This mastalgia can be divided into two types. One, we have non-cyclical mastalgia. Second, we have cyclical mastalgia. First, we will see some important points about non-cyclical mastalgia. This non-cyclical mastalgia, here the main problem is that these are due to musculoskeletal causes. Here these are due to musculoskeletal causes. Here there is a syndrome which is called as Tietz syndrome. In Tietz syndrome, there is inflammation of one or more costal cartilages is seen. So this is inflammation of costal cartilages which is called as costochondritis. In this you will have to give intralesional injection of triamcinolone should be given as treatment for this Tietz syndrome. Okay, next we have the next disease, which is Mandor's disease. This Mandor's disease is also called as string phlebitis. Here there is inflammation of veins occurs. The superficial veins which are there on the breast, these superficial veins undergo inflammation and also they undergo thrombosis. Okay, and these superficial veins become, you can palpate the superficial vein as a string. That is the reason why we call it as string phlebitis. String is its appearance, phlebitis is inflammation of veins. So the veins which are involved in this Mandor's disease are lateral thoracic veins, more commonly involved than thoracoepigastric veins. Lateral thoracic veins are most commonly involved than thoracoepigastric veins in this Mandor's disease. The treatment of this Mandor's disease is we should give NSAIDs. NSAIDs will decrease the pain and you can do excision later. Now the next disorder is cyclical mastalgia. Next type is cyclical mastalgia. In cyclical mastalgia we are going to learn only one disease, that is fibroadenosis. In fibroadenosis you will find the pain of the breast occurs most commonly in a cyclical pattern following menstrual bleeding. Just before the menstrual bleeding, the pain in the breast will become maximum before the menstrual bleeding. This fibroadenosis is seen in the age group of 25 to 40 years of age. Here you will see presence of bilateral, sometimes you will see presence of bilateral serous nipple discharge can be seen, which is arising from multiple ducts. If you are used to diagnose, because it occurs most commonly in younger females less than 40 years of age, we generally do ultrasonography. And on palpation you will find that the breast is lumpy breast on palpation. If you see, the treatment is we should ask the person to reduce the weight and decrease the caffeine intake, and you can give vitamin E can be given, and even primrose oil capsule can be given. And even after reduction of weight or giving these vitamin tablets, if there is no improvement, then you can start the patient on low dose tamoxifen. So this is about the fibroadenosis and mastalgia. Thank you for watching.